Struggling to find profitable Amazon products? This app makes it easy. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. As you may already know, I love to test different Amazon tools just to see what's the best. And with Amazon tools, sometimes one is better for a certain situation or a certain seller, while another is better for another. But we can see right now SellerAssistant App, powerful Amazon product tool, and it's great for research. And we're going to dive in and just see what this new tool can do. Okay, so once we log in, there's this get started page, and it kind of says you can connect your Amazon account. They've got the Seller Assistant extension, price list, IP alert list, and ASIN restriction in bulk, right? So we can kind of just go over that, and then you can also identify Seller Spy to track competitors. But what we're going to do is we're just going to type in on Amazon. So we just typed in this shark cat plush toy. I just want to just start here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the tool. Now, right now it's going to show you the tank or offers if it's there, but here's the biggest thing. It tells you if you can resell this product. This is something I've never seen a tool able to do. So what I'm saying is some products, your Amazon Seller Central account is completely locked from. Like you can't resell Nike unless you get ungated for that product. A lot of different categories are gated, right? I can literally just resell this product, no problem. I'm not even gated at all. This one I'm gated, not gated. And look, I can click right now, click to sell this product. So if I wanted to just sell this product, I could just click right here. And then now it literally goes to my Amazon Seller Central account, and I can just click sell yours and automatically sell it. And it is ungated on my account. So it scans your account to see what you're ungated for if you wanted to resell this. I'm gated for this, right? Let's look at another one like Hello Kitty, right? I've got to be gated for every single Hello Kitty product, right? So I just typed in Hello Kitty plush. And if we scroll down, you can see, again, I'm literally ungated for this product that has 3,000 reviews. So I could resell this product if I wanted, which is crazy. I had no idea. But it does have this also. It has this little red right here is high risk. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. This high risk product. And what this means, if we go, because I installed all the extensions that Seller Spy or the Seller Assistant app has. So right now it's showing you IP alert, which informs you about intellectual property complaints received from brand owners. So this means that a lot of people who tried to sell this product or have sold this product received intellectual property complaints from the brand owners. So these categories, even though it's unlocked, you need to be careful, right? The other one I showed you about the, just the shark stuffed animal, it doesn't have that red flag, but the Hello Kitty ones do. So you need to be careful depending on what products you're selling. So this one, I could sell this, I could sell this, and let's just see how much sales we could potentially generate. So I scrolled down a little bit more and I saw I was unlocked, like ungated for these two items. Yes, this one also I'm ungated for, and it looks like it doesn't have a red high risk. But if we did want to sell this item, right, we could see, okay, is it worth it? How much money could we potentially make? So I literally just clicked on the listing, and it says 700 plus bought in the past month. So whoever's selling this is making like $25,000 a month, and we've got another one making $3,000 a month. So in order to like sell this product, we already know we're ungated for it. So since we're ungated for this product, like I can just click here and then I can ungate it. But since we're already ungated for this product, what we can do is try to either buy it from the manufacturer, or we could see if we can just get it from Alibaba if we really wanted to. Now that is high risk because this is a high risk item. But if you find a low risk item where the brand owner isn't reporting people, then that's a great product as well. But you can go to Alibaba.com, and then all you have to do is just find the image. So this one has 3,000 in sales, only 43 reviews, which is insane. But what you would do is just right click, copy image address, and now you're going to click this on Alibaba.com, put this in here, And then you can see some manufacturers that sell, like I could just contact them and be like, hey, do you have this in stock? And they'll let me know. But again, this is a high risk product, so you need to be careful, because if they report you, the brand owner, then you need to provide that it's an authentic product. And Alibaba is probably not the right place to find authentic products. But this is a great way to see what categories you're unlocked for, especially if you're in retail. So if you're a retail reseller, this is the app for you. It's crazy how many categories are unlocked for Hello Kitty. I thought all of them would be locked, but it connects to your Seller Central account and literally tells you which ones are locked and which ones are unlocked. Like, I could sell this one. I know for a fact, I don't think this is even real. So let me show you. So I'm going to right click this, copy image address. And I'm going to put this in here. I don't think Hello Kitty's made this one before. So look, they've got it right here. 193 sold. So this person, let's see how much money they're making. So if we click on, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it on my desktop. And I just want to see, okay, 100 bought in the past month. So not a crazy amount of sales, but right now, and it's sold by HDL, so it's just like some random person that's selling it. But this could be a good product to sell where they're not getting reported. It doesn't have that IP complaint report, right? That warning right here. This one does. Obviously, it's Squishmallow. But this one doesn't at all. So it looks like they're not getting reported. They're not Amazon Prime. So if you did want to take a risk, this would be a risky move. But we can find more products that aren't as risky, and then obviously find the actual manufacturers and then go from there. Okay, so we're gonna look into two more categories. So if you've heard of the anime One Piece, it's a huge anime, and I've noticed that people are not getting kicked off. Like, One Piece isn't reporting people. Hello Kitty, Sanrio, the owners, are very strict, but there's some different products where they're not strict and they're not gonna report you, right? So again, this one is completely unlocked. It's literally just like a little ship in a bottle. This one's locked, locked, unlocked. It looks like a Lego set, and they're selling it for a crazy price, right? So this is another opportunity to jump in and then make a large amount of sales. So looking at different items, it's just so much easier to see if your account's unlocked for this or if it's locked. So you can kind of just like reverse image search on Alibaba, also if it's high risk. Now we can also do Nike, and then obviously for Nike, you're gonna wanna buy directly from the manufacturer, or if you have a Nike Connect, a wholesale seller, right? But you can see most of the Nike categories are locked for me because it connects to my Seller Central account. But this one's unlocked, Adidas, there we go. So we can start selling Adidas shoes, and there's not that many sellers, only 4 and 1. I'm sure it's hard to get approved for some of these categories. My account is most likely just grandfathered in, where I'm just like completely approved. I've never actually tried to sell these, but right now I'm just completely unlocked for these. So there's an opportunity for me. I'm sure you can look through your account and then you can automatically see what opportunities of products that you can sell. This is a great idea, especially if you get in touch with a wholesaler or a distributor and they send you all their big product list and you just type them in. And instead of going through Amazon, you could just like go through all of them and be like, oh, do you have this? Do you have this? This is unlocked. Do you have this? And you can try to get it for a price and then resell it on Amazon. So again, a great idea. Now they also have this little pop out tool that like connects right here. And we're gonna wait for that to load. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, so it loaded. It looks, oh, I can make it bigger. All right, it's on the side of my screen. It's kind of hard to see, but if you have the app, you can see it. But it shows like the Nike Low Dunks, which are, I think it's like the second most popular. I think the first is Air Force. But you can see this is a high risk product and it's a variation product. It tells you if you're eligible to sell it. And then it has the estimated sales. And then it has the category, the bestseller rating, how many sellers and stuff like that. So you can actually just look through here. If you didn't want to look through this side, you can look through this and then just kind of just look through to see what, let's see one of the ones that were ungated in. If it goes to Adidas. Oh, here we go, Adidas, here we go. Only 5 sellers and it's making around 1,751. I think it might be making more than this. but it's unlocked and there's only 5 sellers for FBA, so we need to be ready. But it is a high-risk product. Oh, and here's another one. This one's actually really good. Amazon is the seller of the product. So think about that. If you're competing against Amazon, it's probably not the best product to sell in. So that's when we're gonna like, oh, let's just skip over this. Obviously, shoes have variations, so we know that. Here's another one. This one we're not competing against Amazon. It is still high risk, so you gotta make sure that you sell an authentic product for this one. Obviously, you wanna sell authentic products all the time, but this is just letting you know that you better have legit invoices. Like, you better triple check that distributor is authorized by the manufacturer and stuff like that. A high-risk product, our database records indicate that sellers have previously had account health issues related to this product. I don't know how they have this, like they know this, but that is awesome that how this tool does that. Now let's see what else they offer. Now Seller Assistant also has the ability, it's called they have the price list analyzer, turn supplier price lists into deals with actionable reports, match products to Amazon. Okay, so again, if you have a supplier, you upload their sheet, like a spreadsheet, into here, and then it's going to find to see if you're if you can be profitable, any issues, can you sell the item. This is pretty much the reverse of what we just did. Seller spy. So what you can do is you can, if you have like a seller, maybe someone's selling this one-piece ship, you can input them into here, add a seller, and then you can see every single product that they sell and go to their seller storefront. So we can download the ASIN list. Let me just delete this. We can download the ASIN list and just look at all of the ASINs. And then I guess we could probably put them in the price list analyzer and then see if we can resell those products on Amazon. Are we unlocked or locked? Let's try to get that list. Oh, there it is. It's about to download. And here is a list of it. Oh, let me just see. Where'd it go? I don't know what just happened. Let me just see. Okay. Oh, I clicked on it and it took me to the product. That's kind of funny. Okay, so it's got the title here. It's got, okay, title, link, category, price, ASIN, status, date. So you can put all that in here, and then it's going to show you, I guess, it just shows you all the products, and then you could kind of triple check to see if you're gated or ungated. You could also go to something went wrong. Let's refresh this. Okay, so another tool. So if we get that crazy spreadsheet that I just had, and then we uploaded all of those ASINs in here, it will tell you which ones you're restricted for and which ones you're not restricted for. So it's got 4 different ones. An error occurred on these products, whatever that means. This is gated, you need approval. So this is gated, you need approval. This one, you just can't sell it at all. And this one, it's ungated, so you can sell it anytime. So that's pretty cool. So you can just upload a huge bulk ASIN list. So you can just put a whole list in, and it's going to tell you if you're gated or ungated. Brand analyzer. So you can just type in a brand name and just see if you are allowed to sell it. So if we did Zealous Nutrition, let's do like AccuLeaf. You can add a brand, and then it's going to identify new brands that meet your revenue goals to sell on Amazon. So I think it's going to take a little bit to sync, but pretty cool. And then we've got the IP, the Seller Assistant, the IP Alert. Those are the 2 ones that I kind of just already showed you through them. But one I didn't show you is the VPN. So they also have well, you pay for the tool, but it's a VPN, and you can install it if you need a VPN. So this could be good depending on what country you live in. Teams, integration, subscription, prep center. They have funding, repricer, and then they have something, OA leads. I don't know what this is. Oh, online arbitrage. There you go. So they've got different leads for online arbitrage. So they have all these tools that kind of mix if you wanted to do. This is a great tool, again, for if you are doing retail arbitrage, which means that you're buying in bulk of legit real items and then reselling it on Amazon. You can know which products you're allowed to sell and you're already ungated for. If you're ungated, you don't have to provide invoices to Amazon and you're good to go. So this tool is extremely unique, and it's definitely niche. It's for a specific person, a specific seller, specifically ones that are in retail arbitrage or want to get into retail arbitrage, which is one of the easiest ways to start on Amazon, especially if you're ungated. Now they do have a free trial right here, so you can try it out for free. It's SellerAssistant.app. It's also in the description. If you go into the description, there's a link. You can go to our website and then check it out. We also have an affiliate discount code if you wanted to try it out. But hey, I recommend try it out for free, see what it does, see how you like it, and see if it helps you save a lot of time, because I can see how this tool could help a lot of retail arbitrage sellers. But that's it for today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. If you do need help selling on Amazon or any type of Amazon issue, there's a link right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.